This is the obligation that us as Moorish men are to our women. We are the divine masculine energy. They are the divine feminine energy. It's our obligation to uplift them. Because if we don't uplift them, we all dead. This is why he picked up the Moorish woman out of the water, because she was unconscious. She was drowning. She cared about the world too much. She was so pulled into the world, she was drowning out there. Get her ass and pick her up and put her ass on solid foundation of love, truth, peace, freedom, and justice. No civilization known to man has ever risen to any great heights or long maintained its supremacy that debased women. This is why the Prophet Noble Drew Ali came to lift up the Moorish woman, because the Moorish woman is the creator of the nations. Without her, there is no creation of nations. This is why they're pushing homosexuality so tough. This is why they're pushing division, man against woman, woman against man. This is why they're pushing those narratives out. You take the woman, you destroy her mind, you destroy us. Sexual debasement in any form is the highway to degeneracy and destruction of both man and women, and of nations, quite as certainly as of individuals. The Moorish woman has to be uplifted out of the state of mental slavery, out of the cares of chasing ease around. Don't you see the narratives that they out here pushing? It's the same old, same old. They pushing the narratives. If you don't make this amount of money, then I can't deal with you. If you want to know the direction in which the nation is going, look at the women. Just look at the women out here. Our women didn't bought into this whole, we're oppressed, we making more money, we gonna just start saying whatever we want to say. Look at the music, look at the behavior, look at the television shows, look at the movies. They're aiming it so that it gives our women a false impression, a false vision. They're now on top. They ain't had none for so long that now, since they jobs are giving them this so much over the man, they don't even see that that's a system of divide and conquer. They don't even see that the system of divide and conquer is pay women more money, let them get an inflated ego, so where they talking crazy to their own man, and they'll do the work to destroy their family for us. That's the system.